Good evening, everybody, and welcome to We Inspire. Our guest for this week is Sadke Rasak, co-founder of Zenicon Healthcare based in Maharashtra. He's here to share his family's 100-year journey as traders of authentic homeopathic medicines and herbal cosmetics. Welcome, Sadke.
Hello, I'm Sadke Razak Chimthanawala from Nagpur.
Thank you, Sadke, and thank you for joining us. So, to get started, your business it's practically a 100-year legacy that you guys have been building on. So, I'd like to ask the first thing is that has it been easy?
It's not been easy since it's not been easy for our family. It's not been easy for us, but we need to keep going. Nobody can stop, right?
Excellent. That's the spirit. All right. So let's get to some of the questions. Basically, I want to talk about you're running a homeopathy business. So can you talk about the current state of affairs?
So initially, we started off as a proprietorship firm in 2015 under the brand name of Aster Homeopathy and then we rebranded ourselves again into the October 2020 as Zenicon Healthcare.
All right.
So we are traders. We are one of the largest traders of homeopathic medicines and herbal cosmetics in Central India.
Excellent. So I just wanted to ask, because of the COVID situation, there have been a lot of challenges faced by a lot of people across the country. So were there any challenges, and how did you guys handle it?
There were definitely many challenges, but we were also we were also very, very blessed to not have faced any challenges, say, for the first 3 months. Our staff supported us very well. We also tried to help them in every way we could. We got ourselves and our staff tested every 15 days. But once the cycle of testing positive started in our staff, that is when the real challenge started. Since we have some very specific skilled labor, and since they were not available, we could not run the show fluently without them. But still, we managed, and here we are today.
Wonderful to hear that you have been through a lot of challenges and you were able to come out stronger. So I think now is the right time to go into the history part, like I talked about earlier. So before 2015, can you tell me how your family started in this business?
So initially, my family started in the homeopathy business in 1922. My great-grand uncle, Dr. M.A. Hussain Chimthanawala, he was the first homeopath of Central India. Okay. He was a specialist for some liver diseases and all.
Yeah.
And since then, our legacy started in 1922. We've changed a few names since then, and here we are 99 years from there. We'll be completing 100 years in 2022.
All right. So in 2015, was there a reason why a separate unit was established called Aster Homeopathy?
Yeah, since we started, in 1922, we started off as a family business. In 2015, our family decided that it was better if we all just took up some separate units. So that is why we parted ways in 2015, and we established a new firm as Aster Homeopathy.
Excellent to hear that. So currently, can you tell me the leadership team within the company and your role as well?
So basically, it's just the four of us: my father, my mother, me, and my brother. And my father and my mother, they have taken a back seat since last 1 year. Me and my elder brother, I'm 17 years old. I have an elder brother, Fazle Kader Chimthanawala. He's 20 years old. We've been managing the show since last 1 year, say March 2020. I mean, we've been into the working way before than that, but we took up the management in March 2020.
All right. So since you're a minor, I'm guessing that you don't have an official position within the company.
No.
All right. So, but good to hear that you guys have taken up the leadership role right now and you guys are managing things. So kudos to you.
Yeah.
So I just want to ask, as a minor, someone who's preparing for the world ahead and for the future ahead, what are your future plans?
My future plans is basically I'm pursuing commerce right now. I'm in 11th grade. I plan on becoming a CA after 12th. I plan on doing chartered accountancy.
All right. So any plans with continuing with the family business?
I'm pursuing commerce right now, and I plan on to becoming a CA. I I I'm interested in chartered accountancy, and also chartered accountancy would be the perfect backbone for running a business, to sustain the business and to grow the business. Chartered accountancy, I mean, basic understanding of the accounts is the foremost thing, and
Yeah.
also it would give me a better understanding since I'm starting at such a young age. It would give me a better understanding of things.
Absolutely. It's nice to see that you have a clear plan and focus ahead of you. So all the best in that endeavor.
Thank you.
Finally, I want to talk about some of the services you've taken with Vakil Search.
So we've started off with trademark registrations. We've applied for 2 classes in medical and pharmaceuticals, and in clinics. We've currently applied for 2 classes. It's been a very smooth experience. I did not have to do a thing. Vakil Search contacted us at every step, and they guided us at every step. They've also sent us a list of classes we could add right now. So we're just planning on that.
Good to hear that, and thanks for that feedback. So finally, before we conclude this interview, I'd like to ask, what are your future plans in terms of the business? You mentioned that you had changed the brand name. Was there any particular
Yes.
plan or reason behind it?
So basically, when we started off in 2015, the name was Aster Homeopathy, and since me and my brother we're into the business right now, and what we feel is that we should not limit ourselves to only and only homeopathy. So that is why we've rebranded ourselves as Zenicon Healthcare, and in Zenicon Healthcare we would be able to provide our customer everything they would require in the healthcare industry, from surgicals to Ayurvedic to allopathy to generic drugs to clinics and doctors, pathology, every single thing. Our basic goal is being the one-point stop for a medical thing, for any medical emergency, any inquiry, any requirement.
Excellent. So from all of us here at Vakil Search, we wish you and your family the very best. Thank you, Sadke.
Thank you, Ranay.